Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks on navigating through my brand new website.
If you go to all products at the top of the page here, which will take you to the entire shop, we have a really robust filter by category system here. So you could check any of these boxes here to take you to those specific categories, or you can simply just scroll through all the products as they are. If you wanted to look specifically at different subcategories of any of these categories, you could click on the plus sign. So let's click on the plus sign for the books. And then you have the option of looking at only crochet books or only ebooks or in Spanish or knitting or paperback, however you want to narrow the field down. So let's say we want to look at crochet books, and let's say we want to look at ebooks. You can actually look at more than one subcategory at a time. So this would show you all the crochet paperback books and all the ebooks. So if you want to reset your search, you can always reset at the top here, and that will take you back to all categories. Let's say you want to combine a search between yarns and patterns. So you could, let's say you want to look up number 2 sport weight patterns and corresponding yarns. So we could click the plus button for crochet patterns and click number 2 sport weight yarn. That will show you all the crochet patterns with number 2 sport weight yarn. We could do the same thing for knit patterns. Let's see all the number 2 sport weight yarn patterns, and then let's also add number 2 sport weight yarns. And this way you can view all of the yarns and patterns within any specific type of yarn. Isn't that wonderful? So you could do that for any category, and as you can see, there are tons of categories in here. So you could narrow it down further, you can make it a wider search, and it can get out of control, right? It's so fun to narrow things down, and if you need to reset your search, you come right back up here, and hitting this reset search button will take you back to all categories, so you can start your search over. Watch the rest of the videos in this playlist as I take a deep dive through all of the other features of my brand new website.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.